Hi everyone, Caroline here. If you have noticed, the world seems to be going through a lot right now. Everything seems to be crumbling. Society seems to be crumbling. People are living in fear and anxiety. There's almost that sense that people's personal safety and security is being threatened at this moment because in some countries or in so many spaces, nobody knows what's going to happen next. And so there's so much fear and anxiety going on in the world right now. So today I just want to share with you a simple process, something that's so easy and something that is so free and that you can utilize in your own life to ensure that at least your own personal light is going ahead of you, and that alone can help to bring some sense of harmony to your daily existence. Okay, you know what, the sun is very powerful, and in addition to every other tool that you're using, we can capitalize and use its abundant strength to support our process, because why not? The sun is available for us all, nature, plants, animal. The sun connects us all on earth. The sun helps us grow. The sun supports each and every one of us. The sun pulses energy that upgrades our physicality and our spirituality. You know what I mean? The sun loves us. And this is why I believe that learning how to use the energy of the sun as a purifying energy is very, very beneficial in driving out fear so that we can live in power. You know what I mean? So that we can have that sense of safety and security wherever we go. Nobody wants to live in fear. Nobody wants to constantly feel that their lives are threatened. You know what I mean? So as energetic beings, we can utilize these resources that are freely available to us to help us remain in balance or be in the most powerful state that you can be. And of course, this is in addition to every other tool that you are utilizing. This is just another option, just in case you're feeling that you need something else extra on top of the light that you already carry. So, because we all know that the powerful light of the sun purifies, what you would do, especially as it pertains to the kind of fear you might experience when you're going outside of your space, when you're going into town, when you're going to visit someone, when you're going for a run, or when you're going for a hike or whatever. If you are experiencing any type of fear from anyone or from things in the surrounding or for whatever reason, you know how the world is a little volatile at this particular point. If you're experiencing that kind of fear, the thing you would do is, first of all, you would envision the path that you're going on. For example, if you're thinking, I'm going to walk down into town on Walnut Street or wherever, what you would do is that you would envision the route that you're taking or the route that you're driving. You know what I mean? So that's the first thing that you do. Envision your path. And then just close your eyes and see the sun in your third eye. You know what I mean? Bring the sun into your vision. You can even feel the sun if you can't picture it. You don't have to open your eyes to see the sun directly. It's not even necessary. The sun has to live in you because the sun does live in us. So see the sun in your mind's eye. And once you have the image of the sun in your mind's eye, take a deep breath. And the reason you'll be using your breath is because the breath represents your internal energy, especially for this exercise. It's the energy that's not purified that is coming out, because you're going to be doing an exhale. You'll take a deep breath and then you'll exhale gently. You'll breathe out gently. And that energy that you're breathing out will be representing the unpurified things within you that can cause disharmony outside. You know how sometimes you have these unconscious things that are going on within us, and then sometimes things happen to us outside, but it's because of some kind of attraction from outside. You know what I mean? And I'm not saying this to judge anyone. I'm just talking about this thing from an energetic standpoint. If you understand what I'm saying, of course, you'll probably agree with me. It's not like strange that certain things within us attract certain things from outside. So anyway, once you have pictured the image of the sun in your mind's eye and you are a little calm and hopefully calm enough, you can just take a deep breath and then exhale gently. And as you breathe out, visualize that breath, the path of that breath going straight through the sun, penetrating the sun, and going down along the path that you intend to walk or you intend to drive. So if you are going down Walnut Street, you can see that breath penetrating the sun and going down the path along which you are going to drive or walk. And that purified energy, the purified energy of your breath and essence, will clear the path ahead of you. So you should be expecting harmony and peace, and that a lot of good things are going to be happening to you, and that distorted energies that might cause things to come your way will be neutralized. And of course, something might just happen, but your safety levels might just be heightened as a result of performing this exercise. And if you are going further, or if you want to change your route, or if you want to change your direction, just keep blowing through the sun and of course redirecting your breath in the direction that you want to go. And you don't have to do this many times. One single breath is sufficient. Trust in that. The sun will do its job, and that fear, that distorted energy, of which is something we don't want, will be a thing of the past. This tool of utilizing the powerful energies of the sun to purify your energy is so easy, and you can do it at any time. And we have to trust that we are loved as we stay and as we abide and as we continue to exist in this physicality on Gaia. The sun supports this physicality. The sun supports Gaia. We are part of Gaia. And so let us just keep doing whatever we need to do. The world may be crumbling around us and things may be crumbling within us. But let the love within us, the peace within us, the harmony within us, the balance within us shine the way. We are always supported. I love you guys, and until next time, bye.